मैं ये बात बड़े वसूख से कह सकता हूँ. Now I am calling upon the stage one of the dynamic and a well-known speaker of my school, Mohammad Kamil. He will deliver a speech in front of you. So please come on the stage and deliver your speech.
Be aware of your own worth. Use all of your power to achieve it. Create an ocean from a dewdrop. Do not beg for light from the moon. Obtain it from the spark within you. Today, I am going to deliver my speech on the topic, be the best version of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Warren Buffett once said, the more you learn, the more you earn. That is so true. Look at successful people like Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Mark Cuban, Oprah, and any other highly successful human. They are successful because they use their time right. They are successful because they are lifetime learners. They commit to learning new things every single day. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest humans on the planet, is famous for reading more than 5 hours every day. Bill Gates reads 1 book per week. Mark Cuban, 3 hours a day. Oprah, well, she's just obsessed with books. Notice a common theme here. Successful people never stop learning. Think about this. You have $86,400 to spend every single day. But when the day is over, the money disappears. You can't get it back. Wouldn't you try to spend all of the money before it disappears? Wouldn't you try to use it wisely? Use it as best you could. The sad part is, we only have 86,400 seconds in a day. And most people take this time for granted. Most people let this time disappear without a second thought. We never get this time back. We must use it wisely. We must be productive. We must use our time to do things we enjoy or use it to set up our life. So we can spend our future doing more things we want to do instead of wasting your time on meaningless things. Use it to learn new things. The time you spend playing video games or partying with your friends will never come back. Once you use that time, it is gone forever. Use your time wisely. Read books, study hard, and learn as much as you can. A Turkish actor, Engin Altan Duzyatan, once said, if you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine. Most students give up on their dreams because it gets too hard. A lot of students stop chasing their dreams because of one failed test. Matter of fact, most students don't even try their best when they take the test because in their mind they have already failed the test. They stop believing in themselves, and once the belief is killed, the dream is killed. If you have a dream, you must do everything to make it into reality. It doesn't matter how many times you fail a test. Sometimes you will fail. Never stop believing in yourself. Life itself is a test. You can be a failure if you stop trying whatever dream you have used all your energy to make it into reality. Push yourself to become the person you are destined to become. If you want to get results you have never got before, you are going to have to do things you have never done before. Dr. Sir Muhammad Iqbal once said, failure is not fatal until we surrender. Trying again is the key of glorious victory. The richest man in the world, Bill Gates, was once asked which superpower he would like to have. The richest man in the world said he would want the ability to read books faster. Success is not about the money, fame, or a big house. It is about becoming the best version of yourself. You will fall down many times on the road to success. The most important thing is that you get back up stronger and wiser than before. Create a mindset that doesn't allow you to quit or stop believing in yourself. If you quit on your dream and give up, you will never know how great you can be. Never doubt yourself. Doubt kills more dream than failure ever will. Work on yourself every single day. This is your life. We are talking about be the best version of yourself. I end up my speech with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for paying heed to my words. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.